we are preparing because we don't have any, it so happens that we don't have any guests this weekend. So, in fact, but being a nice guy that I am, everybody's having 2 days off. Woo! To party and enjoy themselves with the rushing wind and the rushing rain. Anyways, I'm sure we're going to be fine. Monday back in business. Small little thing.
Lauren, you gotta say something for the camera, man. What are you doing to
Working
prepare for Erika?
Everything, trying to get everything straight, safe. We have a job. We don't want a place knocked down if we don't have a job. Peace.
Gonna leave all the stress, I'm gonna relieve my mind. Going down to a space where there's birds and trees. I'm going back to the sea. I'm going home, home, where I can get some air. Gonna let the sea breeze blow right through my hair. Home, home, I've got to leave today. Life is just a sunny day. A sunny day, just a sunny day, just a sunny day. Oh, today is the day I'm gonna leave all these folks behind, 'cause I got to be revived. I can't take no more of this polluted air, and I need some sunshine.
For this album. Yeah, but what are you gonna be doing for this time, buddy?
Oh, I'm just gonna be chilling out, looking after the boats, making sure everything's safe around here. Chilling out with the guys, playing some poker, you know, just relaxing, staying safe. Thanks, sir.
Hardly working, man.
Howdy, work.
Oh, God, look at it. Back in 43 and Big Bush opening place. You know, I've been around a long time. I used to be the number one fishing man, and I think I still am, because, you know, I've been all over the world in those competitions in Florida.